Hi everyone, and welcome to Bikini Design Club. So I've been working a lot on the snowflake pattern, and last week or so I shared with you girls a new tutorial on how to transform your bikini and bra pattern snowflake into a swimsuit. And in that tutorial I show you exactly using your measurements and starting with the snowflake and a basic block or a swimsuit you already have a pattern, and how you can draft using your own measurements your own swimsuit pattern snowflake. So I showed you an example with the red and purple, which I really loved, but then I decided that I wanted to try all white, and I decided to use again the flat lock stitch, which I loved it on the first one that I showed you, the one that is pink and purple, and this time I did it all in white. And here it is the result. I'm gonna zoom in and show you in detail how this turned in. I'm also going to show you the inside of the swimsuit. I really want to share with you girls all the details that I've decided to do for this one. As you can see on the front, I did a strap, and the strap is attached to the bridge, to the top edge here of the bridge, and then it comes to the back, and on the back they are adjustable. I'm gonna show you on the detailed video a few minutes later on this video. But I also wanted to share that I'm doing a lot of experiments with the snowflake pattern. You already know me, and you know that I like to explore a lot the existing patterns that I have, and I like to do pattern alterations and transformations and etc. So I'm gonna be able to show you very soon a new video that I'm preparing with another pattern transformation, starting with the snowflake bikini and bra pattern. It will be a top, it will be a bikini, but it will be using the base of the snowflake bikini, and then we are going to transform it, draft the new pattern with the snowflake as a base, and transform it again. I hope you girls like it. About the details of this specific experiment that I did. First of all, you should know that once this is on a real body, it fits very good. This is not the same size of the doll and the swimsuit, and that's why you see that this is too big, but once it's on a real body it really sits very nicely. Then you can see that I've done this, which is not something new. I've done this before with the red and purple swimsuit snowflake, but this time I also added a line below the waist, like if I had a bottom and then a top. And so this is actually split in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 front pattern pieces. This is really nice. I really love the result of having the flat lock stitch on the waistline and on this vertical line here. Then the cups were made using the swimwear fabric, but then inside I have the strong power mesh, and in between the two fabrics I have used lining, nude lining, so I'm sure that even when it's wet it's not going to be transparent. Then I attached these two straps here in between the fabrics, so, and I will show you in detail, so you do not see any even from the inside. The straps are inserted in the middle, so it's really nice. And then on the back, of course, we have the curved center back seam that you know that I always like. I have a dart here because to fit me a little bit better I changed from the last version I had tried, so I adjusted a little bit, and I now have a dart here in this area, so it really fits nice on my own body. And then I placed these adjustable ring loops with a ring, which I think it's a very nice detail, and it disables me to have the strap like so, or imagine that I don't want straps. I can tie the straps on the front as a bow, and I can wear this strapless. You can place this like this and try to not have it. Okay, I also have the zipper, which this time I made the opening a little bit bigger so it's easier to put it on. And I think that's it. I think the result is very nice. I'm gonna show you in detail the inside of the swimsuit, and I would love to see your own snowflake experiments. If you can, don't forget to send me, okay? So detailing even more, let me show you the insides. So the inside of the swimsuit was made using a regular lining here, but here I used a strong power mesh, just like I did when I filmed this one, which I showed you that I had done before. Here you can see the contrasting fabrics. Here it is all white. As I told you on the cups, I included a lining in between the power mesh and the white. It's nude, so I believe you can still see a little bit of the nude. Once this is wet, this is just perfect for me. I inserted the straps here in the middle, so they are also very nice, nicely done. I inserted the straps with this loop and the ring here on the back in between the two fabrics, so this is also very nice. And then I included the zipper. It's an invisible zipper, and it was sewn, as I showed you on the other video, in between these two fabrics. I have my center back seam here aligned, where I did the detail of the flat lock stitch, which I really love, and I used the exact same stitch for the front here, which I think it's also very nice. And of course on the leg hole I did a zigzag, which I think has a nice detail also. Again, I hope you girls like it. See you soon!